This little 3/8 rotating head ratchet from Milwaukee is probably my favorite ratchet. Here's why. Imagine you're working in a space where you've only got this much room to use the ratchet. It's hitting a wall here and here, okay? Now, let's imagine that same thing, but I've rotated this upward. Listen to how many more clicks I get. Infinite amount. You know, if I'm working with it like a driver, I could easily get that thing out a lot faster than if I was going like this. Saves a ton of time, especially when you're working on a weird spot under a hood. Doesn't take a whole lot of space. Let's see, this one's only about 7.5 inches long. The rotating head isn't all that big. Honestly, it's smaller than some of my other ratchets in the same size. This takes up 1 inch, almost edge to edge that way. And it feels great in the hand, feels well made, and has saved me a ton of time. It actually led me to believe that I should go buy more of these ratchets and have them in more of my toolboxes. So check that one out.